Hey YouTube fans, 95 Arrow Boy here again. Nice, wonderful day. Blue skies, sunny, and had like 3 days of horrible weather here. That's why I haven't done a video. Today I'm gonna do a exhaust sound of my tempo, and I'll show you here what I've done. As you can see, I left everything stock on the exhaust. Took the muffler out, as you can see, and put my hand in here to kind of show an average of how big this chrome tip is. It's the biggest I've had so far. So a little dirty because I haven't been driving around in the rain. Do intend to replace the bumpers. First time I'm starting up my car today. Here we go. Car is all nice and clean. It was like that when I got it. Placed the radiator top hose, radiator cap. Did a little repair to the alternator because the old wire was about ready to fall off with one wire strand left. So everything else on here is fairly good. Okay, go set this back here just like I did with my van. Let's see, is that right? Okay, hold on. Too much. Yeah, I'm doing this by myself, so you gotta hang in there with me. Start of the day, she's already starting to warm up. Yeah. Inside look. Vacuumed it out yesterday. I tried. So the roof liner's a little tore up. Rear deck clean. Back. They're just hanging, they're not actually mounted. And my two 12s I've got in the trunk, which I'll give you a quick browse of what those are. Pretty big box. Almost doesn't fit the car. Almost. They are dual brands, just like the deck. Now they are not. I don't know if you can see those. Those are my JVC6s, non-amplified. Everything is straight off the deck. But I do intend to amplify everything. once I feel up to doing it. But motor still sounds pretty healthy. My hand's a little sore because I had a cat fight with my house cat the other day. The thing will de-idle here soon. It takes a little while to warm up. But other than that, that's a little sound demo of my tempo. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment. Let me know if you like it or not. Please. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye.